Okay, so this is totally experimental session in which we'll try to understand some basics of sensors, some smoke sensor, fire sense, temperature sensor, Arduino, ultrasonic sensor, distance sensor, how they are working also will know. So I have not prepared as such PPT. We'll directly see experiment on uh, Tinkercad. So you can also open. You can see my browser. So all you can open Tinkercad. So first you can see how I am executing. After that, what you have to do, I will give one or two assignment which you have to execute. And at the end of 1 p.m., you will submit, or whenever you will have time, you can submit to organizer. So this is Tinkercad. I'm writing what is the exact meaning in the chat box. Tinkercad, you can directly open on the web browser. So before this, I'm little bit giving you introduction, the PPT which I have prepared, Tinkercad tutorial. So in which we'll prepare a different kind of prototypes. We'll design with the Tinkercad, and it's a open source software which you can utilize to design. And what is the objective of the learning of this Tinkercad is to how to create IoT prototype for different application. So let us understand what is the importance of prototype with the microcontroller, sensor, and the material. And the microcontroller which is available with us, this is Arduino Nano. Okay. Arduino Nano. Arduino, also you can use sensors, different sort of sensors and material will check. So this you can see that Arduino board. So it has, if you see that, maybe you are not able to visualize, but after that also there is some digital pins, some analog pin, some power is coming, ground, and there is processor is here. Okay. So this is basic microcontroller which has LED also. So we design different sort of um, network for different application. Then you have this breadboard also, which have positive and ground pins. Apart from there is some connections, and that will check. Okay. The objective of this session is to utilize electrical component and Arduino boards, Arduino ID to control the LED without button, take a design process. So whenever you are designing any system, IoT system, you cannot directly fuse over the system. First, you have to prepare the prototype. So to design is low rate of heat loss, and other things we will see. Okay. So let us see that some component, okay, with background information is required. Somewhere I will use resistor to resistance the force which are coming through voltage or current which is coming. So LED will not burn. So we'll put the resistor also. So prototype is the process of designing and building an early model of any product. What is electricity? Is the movement of electrons. Okay, current is flowing of electrons. Voltage is difference in the charge. It is, and the resistance is opposite to current. Okay, so it's used to resist the.
This conference will now be recorded.
So these are the components. Okay, so prototyping, what is current, voltage, and these things. Then we'll check that what is common chips available, common LEDs, all sort of things. We'll see breadboard, DC voltage resistor, diode transistor, light emitting diode, and this is what breadboard I will use. So they have some positive terminal to take the current. Okay. So a small board used to the circuit prototype, allow temporary connection between the circuit components. Okay, these are the components. Power rail connected. These are the power rail. Left and right is considered. Both sides is power rail. That is referred as section A and D. A, B, C, D. So A and D are considered power rail. And non-color row connected by horizontally section. That is connected horizontally. All are connected. Okay. So let us see how we'll prepare. Somewhere I can use battery also. If we have no direct current is coming, so you can use battery source, and Arduino board has also that port. Okay. Like you can see that there is different ports like 3.3. Some sensors is taking very less voltage 3.3 voltage, somewhere 5 voltage, ground 1, ground 2, and then Vi is the is considered as a voltage in, and here you can plug the battery cell. Through cell you can take. Okay, there is press button to restart this one. USB connector of their Arduino boards. Okay, so we'll check all the things how we are designing. This is Arduino backgrounds, and the codings on Arduino we can do in the C++. Okay, so here I am considering the C. So data type, different kind of data value we can store, like whatever value we are, because sensor can take input as well as output. So whatever value I'm reading through sensor, that is integer, double a character that can do. Operator to check the condition whether the temperature is more than 40 degrees Celsius. So we have to generate the warning, otherwise there. Okay, variable you have defined, pin number you are assigning which pin, which analog pin or digital pin you are connecting. Okay, then you have conditions, if then else, just you will get all sort of things right now. Very easy. You can have while loop, do while loop, for loops, everything's okay. So now I'm directly coming on my prototype for gas and smoke detector. I'm going to design smoke detector. Okay, so you have this Arduino board, Arduino Uno board is there. There are some digital pins 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is ground. Okay, there is a reference point. Okay, this is what we call your processor. These are analog pin A0 to A5. Again, there is ground, 5 voltage, 3 voltage to connect battery also there. This is breadboard. So if you see the diagram structure, component is first, this is breadboard. There is power rail. Upper portion, lower portion, we have plus and minus. So plus you have to consider with the 5 volt voltage, because this is we are supplying 5 volt voltage to my circuit. Okay, so circuit we are supplying with 5 volt, which I have represented by red color. Then ground I have provided by this black color. So this is, once it is there, then entire circuit is enabled with the power and this one. Okay, same thing. This is top also. This is A, B, C, D. A and D are considered power rail. This is also coming power. So power you can transfer from here to here in red color, and the grounding you can do. Now what is happening? The gas or smoke detector is there. So this is we have placed the smoke detector. As smoke will appear, the LED will blink. So if it is smoke is there, so LED will come red color. If smoke is bit far, then LED yellow color LED, blue color LED, this yellow color LED blinking. If smoke is quite far, that means there is no problem or no alarm, very small smoke, like you are burning the agarbatti and other, that time you will get red color. Apart from there is buzzer also. Buzzer will give you sound. Once it is heavy smoke, red color LED will blink, as well as you will get buzzer. So up to this, it is clear how we have connected the links. Okay. So we have connected positive, negative. So I'm expecting some electronic guy will explain better. I will ask Soumya, he was asking question, whether he's understanding properly or not. This is gas sensor. So three gas sensor is total 6 pin. 1, 2, 3 this side. I'm expecting you should know the significance of power, grounding and all. So these 3 pins are you are here, and 3 pins are here, 6. This power rail is connected horizontally, so I have connected with the power. I am passing this 5 volt. Apart from there, this smoke sensor is what is doing? It is giving output. It is measuring the intensity of smoke. So temperature sensor, the degree Celsius, but here I am measuring in the ohm. Okay, so which I am giving to analog port number A0. Rest I am doing grounding, and this another also I am doing ground, but here I am putting resistor to register, so that this LED cannot burn, sensor cannot burn. So resistor will resist some current flow or voltage. Okay. Then you have LED. LED has 2 pin, cathode and diode. So cathode is connected with the ground, and diode is connected, which is giving the output. Output we are the digital pin 2, 3, 4. 4 for LED and 1 output from the buzzer that is concerned with 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 output is connected with this one, and the another port is connected with the ground. Okay.
Sir, I'm
So
not
that is
getting
what.
your sound.
Am I audible to other?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir. Yes. You are
Yes,
audible.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Audible, audible,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Maybe they have the connection. They can check their internet connection. Okay. Maybe. Hema, you can check your power. Okay. So circuit is clear. How we have designed Arduino. How I'm going to detect very small circuit. One IoT application.
Sir, no sound
Nowadays,
is coming.
maybe it is problem at your end because I'm perfectly audible to other. Okay, so you can check your connection. Okay? Maybe it is some problem. You can restart. So in prototype for gas and smoke detector, generally it is placed on the roof, and it will give the alarm also. The buzzer is alarm. Okay, buzzer is alarm. LED also blinking. If it is blinking red color LED, you will take the warning signals. Okay, so let us design how it is executing. Okay, before that coming on LRD light dependent register, I'm going to simulate this one. Code also I will check. Okay, code भी आप लोग देखोगे तो nothing to be worried. I have traffic light signal, all sort of things I have designed. So most of the time I will try to avoid to waste unnecessary time. So everyone who have opened Tinkercad, they can go here. So login is through Google. You can log in Gmail. I have done login, as I can do log out also. Log out I have done. Okay, Autodesk is there. Now I need to join or sign in. So I'm doing sign in through my Google account. Okay. No need to create separate account. Through Google account you can create. So like my mail ID. So dedicatedly it has created. So you will see the such kind of window. Top it Tinkercad. The logo is coming Autodesk. Then you have circuit, code blocks, lesson. So I'm going in the circuits. So different circuits I have designed for your purpose. We'll explore one by one. Okay, and we'll design also. So as I was going for this smoke sensor, so already I designed the circuit you can see. Okay, I will also design. Okay, so let us create the new circuit so that you can understand. That is for reference point. That is I am creating new circuits. So you will find such window. All you are able to see my screen. This window you can see. Okay, that is my window. In the leftmost side top, you are getting Tinkercad, or I am giving here name smoke detector. Smoke detector. Okay, it is coming name you can give. You can restart something. Okay, you can view also prototype. Okay, now right hand side you can see the code window in which you will find different options. You have to start simulation, nothing is done. Export and this you can do. Now I'm coming on here. You can find the component. There is basic component, all component, and there is some important component, basic, Arduino. So if you see that this window, what component you are getting here, you are getting resistor, LED light, push button, potentiometer, capacitor, sidewise 9-volt board batteries, 1.5 volt battery. You're getting Arduino, 3.3 micro bits. You are getting bimetal motor, DC motors, servo motors, NPN transistor, LED sensors, photo resistor. It is especially to see the intensity of light when I will design the smart electricity management. That time you'll see. Then you have PIR sensor to detect the objects. Okay, motion, the person is walking, ultrasonic to detect the object, temperature sensor, piezo to bimeter. Okay, so now let us come. We go in all. Type here Arduino. They're getting different board, Arduino blank, already simulated board. I'm going to Arduino, this. You also can perform. Vishwanath sir, you are able to see screen?
Yes, sir. Screen is visible. No problem.
So So you have Arduino Nano. Now you can see what is Arduino Nano. It is USB connected. Otherwise you can connect battery. यहाँ से battery ले सकते हो. Battery you can take from here. Sorry, this is code block, something different. Code you can write here. Either simple block, either block plus text, or either just you can go for text. Code is here. Okay. Whatever code you want, you can get. So generally, first I have one or two app. I will run code as well as block. Block is very easy. Those who are not aware of this one, they can do. So you see that this portion is digital pins top 0 to 13, then ground, then reference pin. Bottom you have A0 to A5. You have or analog inputs. Okay. Then you have a ground, two ground pins. One is 5 volt pin, another 3.2 reset pin, and this all sort. Nothing you have to learn much. So this is you have taken Arduino Nano 3. Now what is there in this one? I need to take broad breadboard. I need to take breadboard. Okay. So I am taking small bread. I am taking a small breadboard. Instead of taking big breadboard, I am taking this small breadboard. Okay. Already you know that these are power link. All are connected in the horizontally. They are connected. These links are connected vertically. Okay. These are vertically connected links. These are vertically connected. There is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. They are vertically. There is positive. There is ground. Similarly, power rail is there. Okay. You can move individual components separately. So broadband already I have attached. Apart from there, I require piezo sensor for sound. Piezo is for require sound. This sensor is required. I am placing somewhere here. Piezo sensors. Okay. Apart from there, LED is also required. LED you can take, or just let us do buzzer only. And for this, smoke sensor is required. The gas sensor is given. You can check this gas sensor is here. Or just now I'm not using LED this time. I'm just using buzzer. If smoke sensor is going to range over 40 ohm, then it has to be buzzer, otherwise not. Okay. Then you see that I need to connect this power cord with the. So once you will execute, this USB will connect. So there is 5 volt pin. 5 volt pin you have to connect with the positive current. This is coming here. Anywhere you can connect. This I connected. So here I was able to place. So I pass current to my broadband, 5 volt voltage. The ground is also required. So another pin I am taking ground. Let us make neat diagrams because I am going to give assignment after this to you. So ground is there. Okay. Let us change the color. The power is can be represented by the red color. The green color is showing the ground. And SAM you can pass in this side also. So just power you can pass. Sorry. Power you can pass from here to this. Automatically these links are coming. You just need to drag and connect here. Okay. Maybe some problem is here. Let us pick better so that I can see. This is power rail. So I am passing power at the top portion also. This is I pass power. Similarly, I want to pass the ground also there. I pass the ground here. Let us change the ground color is yellow green. So this is clear. I have passed these things. Now you have this gas sensor as well as this piezo sensor. Piezo sensor has two. One is positive input, another is negative. Positive input you can directly connect with the power, and negative you can connect with the ground. Sorry, positive input you have to apply on some inputs. Okay, positive you have to apply with the some inputs. What is happening? Positive pin I am applying with the some digital output. It has to give out buzzer, and the negative I am connecting with the ground. Okay. So let us keep this is outside. Remove these connections. Negative I am connecting with the this ground. Positive I am connecting with the one Arduino board digital output. Let us consider this is 6. Because code I will utilize, that's why I'm connecting same number of pin. 5 is here, digital pin. Okay. And this is represented by the output can be represented by the blue. So far it is done. Now this is my gas sensor. It has B1, B2, B3. All we connect with the power. I'm connecting with the power. These 3 pins I'm connecting with the power. Power can be represented by the red color. This is designing prototype. After that, what you'll do, we'll have to execute code also. Okay. So the power is connected with this one. Another one piece is connected to analog inputs, which is taking sensor input. Okay. And then grounding, and 2 is grounding. Okay. So 3 pins. This I am connecting with some output. And it is giving you the intensity of smoke. I'm connecting with A0 pin. And A0 you can represent by the blue color only. Rest this I'm connecting with the ground, or I'm taking one resistor. Resistor is here to connect ground. Okay. And this is represented by the green color. So diagram is clear. Because I am not using LED, that's why I am not using LED links. I'm just using this one, and buzzer should blink. Okay. Circuit is complete. Pass power board, grounding done. Then this is my input, which is giving buzzer. It is taking input, and this is giving output. Buzzer will give the output. Okay. Now let us go in the code section. So the very basic is block. Meanwhile, block plus text we can run together. Okay. Already some code is there. You can delete here to garbage bin. Now what is there? You have to take one variable, new variable, create variable. This is my what? Gas intensity. Okay, gas intensity. You can see. We have created by default code is coming C++. So no need to write code. Okay, I can check here code also. So what is happening? Yeah, any question? If sensor reading is more than 55, I need to put the LED and buzzer, otherwise no buzzer. Okay. So gas intensity I
Where you
created.
have, excuse me, sir. Sir, can you
Yeah,
please
please.
repeat from where you have taken that code? Because maybe it was stuck. I was not able to see where when you started
This
writing
is
code, or when
so far I have not written the code. This code you are asking?
the one we are able to see on the screen, which you have selected just
This
now.
you go to top. There is the right hand side. There is some tabs are coming. Code, start, simulation, export. There is code section is there. Can you see?
Yes, I'm able to see. Yeah, yes, sir. Yes.
Code. You
On my
click on
screen
code.
also.
Here you are getting block, block plus text, and text. Text is simply code. You will see. Okay.
Okay.
Which is here. In case of block, you can able to without writing code. You can able to execute. Just you have to draw block. Okay. Or in case of just block you want, you can go for block also. Okay, then there will be no code. So I'm going for code plus block, so that you can
Okay,
get
thank you.
both benefits. Okay. So यहाँ पे already बना है, इसको आप remove करिए. ठीक है, code को पूरा यहाँ से delete मार दीजिए. Because LED is there. This is not going for dustbin. This I am placing in dust. So everything is done. Now nothing is there. Void setup and loop. This will get. I created one variable, that is sensor reading, or sensor gas intensity, whatever. Sensor gas reading. Let us give some fanciful name. We created variables. Okay. Before this, you can put some notation like what I am going to do and some comments. These are not going. So this is what? Gas sensor Yeah, smoke detector I'm writing. Smoke detector. Okay. Using gas sensor. Okay. Gas sensor से आप कर रहे हो. These are the comments you can place here. Now the variable already created. Now set variable gas sensor. ये कहाँ से value आ रही है? Anyone who can tell from participant what was your name? Who was replying? Soumya is here. Who is here? कोई बताए ये इसका इनपुट कौन से आएगा? From where you will provide the input for this my sensor reading कहाँ से आएगी आपको?
A0 from A0.
Correct. A0 is my input that is giving na. So let us include from where you are getting inputs. Go input what reading temperature sensor on pin. Reading ultrasonic is not here. Reading temperature sensor, smoke sensor or temperature sensor. You are placing here. So sensor reading is coming where you can see that immediately gas sensor reading is -40 plus this inbuilt code is there. Analog A0 is coming -20. This is coming in Fahrenheit Celsius. Sorry. Because the C upon 32 upon 5 into something is formula is there. You can check. Okay, you can explore it more. You are able to see. You are able to see from which port you are reading A0. Reading temperature value from A0, unit degree, or if you go Fahrenheit, the formula is changed. We are multiplying by 0.83 or Fahrenheit degree. So those who are finding very difficult in coding, they can do. So sensor reading you have executed. After that, Soumya, what I will do? आपने अगर रीडिंग ले ली इसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्या करना आपको? व्हाट इज माय ऑब्जेक्टिव? आई नीड टू पुट द बजर.
You should put a condition there. If the sensor value is more than 5.
So I will put control. Two condition I need to use if and if then else. We have placed if. One more I am taking. One for buzzer, one for without buzzer. Okay. Then I am placing here one variable. Sensor gas reading, which I read. Okay, but before this I need to put some condition. Wrong, I have placed this is wrong. I have to put mathematics function here where I need to check this condition. Okay, similarly I am putting in below section also. If के अंदर condition check कर रहा हूँ. The first is that I am reading what's variable, whatever sensor reading is coming, that I am placing here.
Sir,
Sensor
I have
reading.
a query.
Yes, please.
Sir, can I write in the code portion as
You can write
programming?
You can write it. This is text. Text you have to write a code. Here what is happening when I am creating block? No, it will give. Here what is happening? Here let us do by this and then I will show by that code. Almost I have written code. These things I am doing for just for those people sakes who is finding it difficult to write. Okay. Automatically code is written, but you can write code. In this case there is no block. You are just code. यहाँ पे code है.
It is not allowing me to delete the default program, so that is why I am asking you.
You can just see Control X. Delete it. Control Z. You can remove all entire code. You can write your own code and then start executing. Okay, I'm pasting Control paste. I can do also. ठीक है, कर सकते हो आप. इस वाले section में नहीं होगा block for text. That time you have to do for text only. Getting my point? ठीक है. अब sensor gas reading what I'm keeping. If it is greater than 45, let us put buzzer. Otherwise, no buzzer. Okay. So I'm putting if gas sensor value is greater than what ranging 45 और second क्या है less than 45. So they have made that less than 30 no nothing is required. If more than 40 then it is required. Or LED I am not using, otherwise LED also you can put. Okay, then what I have to do, I have to check output. What output you will get here? Soumya, can you tell what output I am getting here? LED हमारे पास है नहीं. You can print also. Serial print कर सकते हो. इसके अलावा what I will do?
Sir, buzzer.
So what I will do, I will play the sound. I will play the sound instead of writing. What I will do, I will play the rotate servo नहीं है. Play speaker on. ठीक है? Turn off speaker on the pin. or with tone also you can do. You can put here. You can put the pin number. Which pin number is giving out this output? 5 number
D5.
digital pin. D5. So you can go for 5 number pin. Okay, with the tone 61 second के लिए tone आएगी, otherwise no. In case of what? If nothing is coming, just write something. Not hello what? You write no warning. Serial code I am writing. With the new line you can do or not new line, or either you can write the sensor reading. Sensor reading, you can write sensor. This variable you can put directly. Whatever variable I created, that you can put here. This output you will get. Okay. So serial print hello world हट जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा?
Sir,
हाँ.
can you please tell me the pin configuration of the buzzer? Gas sensor.
Gas 3 are applied on the power supply. Okay.
Okay.
And 2 are applied on the this ground. And one last pin is applied to A0. Okay. And you can see the unit also.
You have applied to register, yeah? Okay.
Resistance I applied,
Okay.
that is ohm, kilo ohm. This is just one resistor, one without resistor, so that it cannot burn. Okay. Okay. अभी देखते कोड चल पाता नहीं था, already I have running. So code is done. Pin mode serial begins. Gas sensor reading is coming through analog port A0. You are reading. Then if reading is more than 45, you are getting tone, and otherwise we are writing the gas sensor reading also. Maybe है ना? So let us run the code. कोड को छुपा दीजिए. Start simulation. Okay. The simulation has started. You can see the fog is coming. Okay, and you can see the code area. The serial monitor is here. The reading is coming what? -22, -22, minus, because there is no warning. Okay. I will shift my here. Now what is happening? The moment it will come close. Okay, it is not changing the value. Maybe some code has problem. The buzzer should have. It is always giving -44, and it is not coming in this loop. 45. So let us change the condition a little bit. Let us put suppose it is coming -22. How buzzer will sound? I'm just going to show you. Now buzzer is by, okay. Thus, because value is not changing, maybe some connection. So buzzer, you are able to hear my voice. The sound is able to see. The buzzer is running. You can see the buzzer. This buzzer is blinking. Both sound. Okay, let me check from the Vishwanath sir side. Vishwanath sir side.
Yes, sir.
Maybe. Can I able to share my voice? वो option है इसमें अभी?
Sir, right now the option is not there.
Okay, in your case it will be there, na?
But it is yes. We can see the buzzer is blinking, sir. So
you can see
we
buzzer is
understand.
blinking. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
So let us go for more time. Here you can visualize through LED. LED light तो दिखेगी आपको. ठीक है, Soumya, you can see that now SAM network I am configuring. Network is already designed. The buzzer is here. Smoke sensor is there. Apart from there, I have taken 3 programmable LED, yellow color, green color, red color. LED configuration is that one is connected from the outward digital port 2, 3, 4, and another is from ground. Okay. Is this clear? The configuration is clear to everyone. How it is connected? There is no more difference. The LED is placed here. ठीक है, अब इसका कोड देखिए. कोड, what is code here? In this case, as Soumya was asking कि sir, we can write explicitly code या ब्लॉक से चलेगा? यहाँ पे कोड है, यहाँ पे ब्लॉक बना ही नहीं है. ब्लॉक if you go, nothing you will find. So कोड में क्या है कि initially you define the green LEDs code number 2, orange LED 3, red 4, and buzzer 5 and gas sensor are A0 से. The gas sensor is connected with A0 and this output is coming from digital port 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then setup pin mode 2 is output, 3 is output, 4 is output, 5 is output. These 4 pins are output port. Serial began, the coding is started, then you are coming in loop. So digital write 2, 3, 4 and 5 I am giving low, low, low. So that's why initially they are not going to give any color. LED is not blinking. But now what I am doing, I am reading sensor value, analog sensor A0, and similarly I am writing this value also in serial port. So you can read serial value. That if delay is giving, if sensor is reading is more than 45, so what you have to do? You have to blink red color LED. So digital write LED is high and digital write buzzer is high. Buzzer also will burn and the write will also. As if temperature is more than 30, then no buzzer, only orange color LED. That means warning. Traffic light signal abhi aap dekhoge. And then finally you have green color. So let us simulate. Let us simulate the code. So one prototype already we have designed now. The simulation started. Okay. Now what is happening? This is fog. And red color also. Now I have taken fog very far. No buzzer is blinking and green color LED. That means green signal. Abhi aag nahi lagi hai, no smoke detected. As you will move towards the gas sensor, and you can see the code also. Code में क्या value है 20 20 20. जैसे ही 30 पहुंचेगा, the value has reached up to 32. What happened? Yellow color LED started blinking. Soumya, are you able to see me?
Yes, sir, I can see it.
So yellow color LED is blinking. As I will move again, green color LED is blinking. That is running all the time, low color. The moment the value will increase by 45. नीचे कितना है 40 पहुंच गया है. जैसे 45 आएगा, रेड कलर LED will blink. 56 हो गई है, रेड कलर LED started blinking and buzzer also blinking. So at my end, I am able to hear the voice of buzzer. बहुत तेज buzzer का sound है. Be like this sound is coming. So maybe you are not able to see due to this online platform. Okay. Again, you take away. Then yellow color range is there, 30, and then green color. Okay. Anyone having any question regarding this network? Code I will share. ये सारा मिल जाएगा आपको. These everything I will share. ठीक है. So you can export also this one. You can share the network diagram. You can share. You can download what network diagram is here. Okay. You can see the sound serial monitor values. You can check from here. Once I'm moving, it is coming. Some values are coming. Started spikes. You will find. Okay. Spikes is coming. Curve is coming. Continuously I'm reading. Some curve I'm moving in this stage. Okay, you can see the property also. You can share with someone. All the circuit which you have designed will come here. You can go in the property of this one, duplicate, move to the color. You can see the property. You can give the name, copy of smoke sensor privately and share. You can do. So first smoke detector has already done. Okay. This I was trying to create but not able to do. So I will delete this here. So first application of smoke sensor has done. The buzzer was there. The temperature sensor value is moving 45 degree in centigrade. This is in Celsius or Fahrenheit accordingly you will change. The green color LED will blink if smoke is quite far. In the distance, if it is coming closer to there, the intensity 40 degrees Celsius. जैसे temperature की value होगी, then here green color LED will blink, red color LED will blink, and this. So we can go for prototype. Now there is another sensor, LDR light dependent resistor. And when I will deal with the smart light management system, that time I will use this LDR. What is this? It used to measure the intensity of light. It used to measure the intensity of light. So before this, let us see what is temperature sensor, TMP sensor available with us. As temperature will increase on different sensor, I will blink different color LED. I will have bulb as well as battery setup. Like this, you can see that smart street light. What is this system? You have this LDR, photosensitive sensors. We have bulbs. We have battery power, 5-volt battery and the currents. Then you have NPN diodes. Okay. So as you will decrease the intensity of light, the bulb will blink. Bulb will start burning. As you will in the parking lot where the intensity light is less, and as you are coming outside, or light ज़्यादा है, your intensity of light is increasing in the daytime. The bulb will not blink. So automatic street light management system will. Now we are going for street light management. So street light का मेरे पास है. We'll design our own circuit. सर्किट बनाएंगे इस बार और कोड भी करेंगे. ठीक है, इस सर्किट को आप डिलीट मार सकते हो. दैट सर्किट आई हैव डिलीटेड. अभी किसी की जरूरत नहीं पड़ रही. लेट अस डिलीट एवरीथिंग. So let us create new circuit. Let us remove this. Street light. After that, I will give you some fancy things to execute. Street light का बना रहा हूँ. Again, Arduino board. You require bulb. You require battery. Different batteries, there are 9-volt batteries, 9 ohm. So the current you require. No? You can rotate also the position of this one by rotating here and there. जैसे बल्ब करना हो नीचे की डायरेक्शन में आप कर सकते हैं. Again you are going here. Multimeter is there. I am using photoresistor to measure the intensity of light. I am using temperature sensor to see the temperature also. What else I am using? Not temperature sensor. This is NPN diode. There is photoresistor. There is bulb, and this is your power supply. Power supply. Different things are coming with port quality you can use. There is power. This is power I am going to use. You can use voltage. This one current कितना pass करना है. Voltage you can put 3.3 voltage also you can use. जितना देना आपको power. Let us keep 5 and 5. No need to change. Power हो गया. NPN diode you can use. NPN transistor he is here. ठीक है ये. This is there. Okay. So you can check the connection how it is happening. No breadboard I am using. The 5-volt voltage I am directly passing to my photoresistor. This is for power. And the for grounding I have done from here. Ground is coming here as well as here. So I have done grounding another port through resistor. So resistance is here. Another port is I am going to do A5. Same port I am connecting to give the input. Input क्या देगा? Value देगा कितना अभी intensity light की. What is the intensity of light? If light is there, then there is bulb. One port is going to connect this NPN and which is connected with the taking supply from this power. Okay, and another port is ground. NPN one port is there, another port is 3. It is giving output on 3. Okay. Then code you can see here, very simple code. You have LDR values, that is light emitting diode values, analog reading through this A5 I am reading the values. If LDR value is greater than 512, I have to write light. Otherwise, I will not light will not burn. Light is 0. If it is value is greater than 512, the light will emit it, and this is serial printer. Whatever value of LDR I am getting. Okay. So now start simulation. Code is here. The serial value you are getting initially 666 RE, and the light is burning. Yellow color is coming. So you can see that intensity is coming. I am going to increase intensity 152. जैसे ही 512 होगी 512, still it is light. 512, now 567, the bulb has closed. That means there is perfect intensity of light is there in this area. High volt and 0 ampere it is running, and so no need. Again, you intensity of light night is there. So during night the intensity of light is less. So the bulb is going to blink. This is what small street light. Okay. Code you can refer here. LDR value is analog sensor. Okay. The value is 512. You have digital this one, and value is this. You will not write. Okay. So let us stop and let us do by the block also. Block भी लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है. Okay. So block कहते हैं सब चीज delete हो गया. Now if I will come on the text, nothing I will find here. ठीक है. कोई नहीं. Block का देखते हैं कि block से हो पाता है. So for this, initially you remove everything here. First, what I will do, I will take the variable LDR values. LDR की क्या value आ रही है? That I am creating the variable. That LDR value from where you are getting. Input कहाँ से आ रहा है आपको? Reading temperature from pin which, sorry, temperature is not here. Directly read the pin. Analog pin I am reading. Okay, you can see from diagrams. The LDR sensor value is coming from this A5. Okay, A5 is here, so you can go in the code block. I am reading from the analog pin. Which analog pin I am using? A5. So I have read the value of LDR value. Then एक condition लगाई. If an condition लगाई. यहाँ पे मैं variable pass किया. Now before this math, variable if LDR value is greater than 512. What output I am expecting? Because LED है नहीं, but यहाँ पे क्या है कि buzzer is not there. What is there? Bulb. Set pin number to high. High कौन सी पिन नंबर है? 3 नंबर पिन टू हाई. अदर केस क्या होगा? Simply if LDR sensor value is less, I want to come है, just simply you can write serial output. And what you will want to print? LDR की value है, so you can take LDR value, whatever you have written. ठीक है. So let us देखिए चलता है नहीं चलता है. So I am reading initially 6 values. Okay, कोड को बंद कर लीजिए. 6 value I am reading. कोड में 6 value. As I will try to increase the value, so the code should reflect the 412 हो चुका है. ठीक है, अभी मेरा बल्ब जल रहा है नहीं जल रहा है. जैसे 512 को यहाँ लॉजिक उल्टा लिख लिया है, 512 होने पे मैंने लिख लिया है. ठीक है, so that's why it is giving light, and as it is coming less, it is just not giving any. You can check here. As the value is increasing more than 512, then it is going to increase. So now what is happening? It is light is coming. Okay, intensity is still very less. 6 होगी. You can increase the intensity. जैसे 512 से ऊपर बढ़ेगी, the light should not burn. Okay. So there is some logic. This way you can avoid the writing the coding style. Okay. So 2 diagrams already discussed. ठीक है, अभी आपको दूंगा. Already 12:30 is there. So what I was expecting कि 12:30 to 1 के बीच में आपको experiment दूं. But anyway you can do later on. इसमें light sensor आपने देखिए. अब मैं temperature sensor का little bit I will demonstrate you how temperature sensor is working. Okay. Then after that we'll see that ultrasonic range finder projection. And ultrasonic sensor is electronics component used to find the range of the target object by emitting ultrasonic wave. Sound wave को it used to produce sound wave like bat. Chamgadar used to produce the sound wave. It used to collide and then echo used to return. So an ultrasonic sensor is electronics component used to find the range of targeted object by the emitting the ultrasonic wave or sound wave. So it has a high pitch of sound that human cannot hear, and almost the frequency is that 40 kilohertz, जो हम नहीं सुन सकते. Sound that has frequency about. So this sensor mainly consists of 2 parts. One is transducer, another is producer. So एक send करता है, एक produce करता है. So that ultrasonic sensor sound wave, another that listen from its echo. Okay, once echo is coming, so ultrasonic rangefinder use sound wave to bounce off object in front of them, much like a bat using the echolocation to sense their environment. The proximity sensor send out is signal. The proximity sensor is there which used to measure how long it take to return. So you have 2 way. It is going by speed of light 340 meter per second. Okay. Or we have to divide by 2 because we are sending signal from here to my object, and it is returning in the form of echo also the back. So Arduino program receive this information and calculate the distance between the objects. Okay. So these devices are mainly using to need to the sense the an absence of light is necessary. These registers are used as the light sensor that has alarm, clock, street light. This is different. Okay. So I am coming on this one. This ultrasonic sensors circuit diagram is given here. Arduino Nano, this is your that sensor, ultrasonic sensor SC-SR05. It has 4 pin. You have 3 pin also. Distance sensor 4 pin. One is VCC which is connected with the 5 volt. Another is ground which is connected with ground. Another 2. One is trigger. Another is echo. Trigger is connected with the digital port A. Echo is connected with the 7. जैसे ही range में object आएगा, it should has to produce the some sound. So what I will do, I will use buzzer. I am using buzzer. Buzzer बज जाएगा. Both sensor I am using. One is PING. This is 3 pin, and this is HC-SR pin. This is 4 pin. So this is power supply. This is ground. There is pin 1 and 2, which is connected with 6 and 7. The LED is blinking red, blue, green. Okay, this is for proximity sensor. Similarly for there, this is different. Okay. So एक इसको देखते हैं कैसा how it is running. So I hope you are enjoying. So I am coming on ultrasonic sensor. Okay, ultrasonic sensor is there. What is there here? You have you can use for ultrasonic sensor, distance sensor. Yeah, ultrasonic करो. We will get two common. One is ultrasonic distance sensor, another is ultrasonic sensor. ठीक है, दोनों मिल जाएगा, दोनों से काम कर सकते हैं. So you can go, we can design our own circuit. और कोड काम करेगा तो let us check, design new circuits. Arduino Nano आया. Ultrasonic sensors I am commencing. Let us rotate this to connect हो. और बजर बजना चाहिए, बजर जो okay. It has ground pin which is connected with the ground. Ground से connect हो गया. There is power supply of 5 volts. I need to provide power supply of 5 volts. You can create your need diagrams with the color. Then there, this is your trigger ports which I am connecting with the port number 6. Echo I am connecting with the port number called Echo. Echo I am connecting with the port number 7. Okay. बजर में दो है, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव. Negative connected with the ground. You can use the register also. Ground से डायरेक्ट कर लेता हूँ, ग्राउंड कनेक्टर. And this is connected with some analog. This is वो बजर आउटपुट. ठीक है, वो लिख लेते हैं, ब्लॉक के फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. तो फर्स्ट वेरिएबल है डिस्टेंस, कितना डिस्टेंस है. ठीक है, सेट डिस्टेंस. तो डिस्टेंस कहाँ से आने वाली है? इट इज कमिंग ऑफ इनपुट अल्ट्रासोनिक रेंज सेंसर. ठीक है, अल्ट्रासोनिक रेंज सेंसर से आई. पिन नंबर 6 is connected for the trigger pin and pin number 7 for echo pins. Distance in centimeter और इंच जा सकते हैं. 2.54 1 inch equal to 2.54 centimeter. You can divide also by this. सेट ये हो गया. Then control is required. ठीक है, 2 controls are required. Then you have require some maths. Then you require variable distance. Okay, if distance is greater than 20, less than 20. अभी मुझे मालूम नहीं क्या होना चाहिए डिस्टेंस. I can check from here. हाँ, अगर डिस्टेंस है तो आउटपुट में क्या होना चाहिए? बजर बनना चाहिए. Let's speak on this one. कौन से नंबर पे है? At 2 नंबर पिन. 6 7 हो गया, 2 नंबर पिन पे. Otherwise क्या करें? Print the value of serial में hello world print कर दे, कोई problem. Okay, let us simulate. So buzzer is coming. All the time buzzer is, so this distance is changing. You can check the distance. Serial mode. Hello world लिख रहा है, that is distance also can come. उसको hello world की जो distance I can measure, variable I can add distance variable here. So it will return the value of distance, how much distance I need. The distance I need to give more, maybe 500 I am giving. क्योंकि buzzer बज जा रहा है direct. Now buzzer is not going, distance is 0. ठीक है, जैसे डिस्टेंस कम हो रही है, दिस इज 8.12.22.6, बजर शुड रन आफ्टर 22.6, अगर उससे दूर है तो नहीं हो. ओके, so the code can be designed like this. If distance is less than 22, then buzzer run. अगर दूर है तो मुझे कोई टेंशन की जरूरत नहीं है, then no need to run buzzer, then yes. So what is happening now? I am starting simulation. It is giving 45. ठीक है, distance is changing. अभी देखिए distance is 45, now distance is 187, no buzzer, but as the object will appear, how much distance? 33, और जैसे आपका 16 आ गया, less than 20, buzzer has started और buzzer बंद हो गया, इसके बाद buzzer बंद हो जाएगा. Okay, the buzzer is stopped now, and the buzzer will start once the value will go on 19 centimeter. ठीक है, clear? Is this clear to everyone? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Perfect.
Yes,
So we
yes,
have
sir.
executed this.
Yes.
Now I am going for PR block and the traffic light. दो ही और देखना चाह रहा है. That you can check. Patient monitoring भी देखते हैं. Patient monitoring sensor also will check. Object detection कर लिया है. Patient monitoring temperature was left. So patient monitoring, this is PID sensor. It is again giving accelerometer X, Y, Z values. Okay, PIR sensor, motion sensor. If any motion is coming within this range, object will run. You can see the code. Sensor is reading digital reading. If sensor high, state high, digital read, and else low. Okay, so you can see that. Start simulation. You can see that it has range. Okay, as range is coming, the red light is LED is blinking. Otherwise, no LED is blinking. You see that red LED is blinking. Otherwise, no LED is blinking. Okay, that is what this one. Another is this temperature sensor. The code is written here. Okay, if temperature is less than 36, the LED will green red color, blue color, green color. Okay, so let us check temperature. Let us start simulation. So temperature is so far less than 26. As it is increased, it is becoming red. Or when it is becoming 20 to 27, it should come in green color. Green color also coming, and then blue color. The code is here. The code block I have written. Reading temperature to temperature. If temperature is less than 36, set RGB LED I have considered. RGB 11, 9, 10, 3. The color is green, yellow, and this one. You can change the color also. Like if LED is temperature less than 26, no warning, I am giving yellow color. If temperature is more than 36, I am giving different color, pink color. If arrow is this one, then I am giving black color. Okay, this is RGB LED, so you can give any sort of LED. So initially pink color, okay, yellow color, and then black color. That is coming in RGB format. This color is. So RGB LED is here. Then temperature sensor is there. Temperature sensor connected with power, ground, and this is connected with port number A2, which I'm doing. Okay, this already done. Code I will share with the Vishwanath sir. Then you can check the flex sensor also. Now I'm coming on patient monitoring system. I'm looking for their temperature. If temperature is less than 36, no problem. It is healthy. You can consider, but more than 36, the severe condition is coming. Then traffic light. That is interesting one. the code you can see, you have different four networks are there. Okay, 4 LAN networks. एक चौराहा है जहाँ पे 4 साइड से लाइट है. So for particular direction, if green is there, red, there's 3 direction you will have red. Okay, so condition is bit tough. We have combination of this one. Only one light, green, red will be high at one particular time. You can see that how it is running. Because this time the light is green. When light is green, red's other is red. Okay, so वहां से जा सकता है और जगहों से नहीं जा सकती. Now this is red, this is green, so dash 3 is red. So the traffic which is subway I am allowing, other will be red. And then before this yellow is happening, before red is happening, other two are yellow, then it is going to become the green. Okay, so yellow for warning, you can start traffic as well as you can close the traffic also. Okay, the traffic light the circuit hai, that you can design. Flex sensor also, you can see that flex sensor is giving in ohm, which is the degree it is giving, how much you are rotating, it is giving LED like you are rotating. You can place over your fingertip. Okay. So I think that this is all what I was supposed to cover during this presentation. If anyone having any curious question or any question they would like to see, they can check. They can ask the questions. Okay. So I have done by my end. You can check other model if I will have. Proximity sensor already I introduced. Patient monitoring system in which you have temperature increasing, different color. This is RGB LED. Either you can place 3 different color LED also. That is smart walking or blind. White can you can design. The white can is like that. This is kind of can I have designed at my laboratory. Okay, we have ultrasonic sensor which is finding the range. It is quite helpful for blind person to walk. It is detecting the object and so buzzer is sounding. This is how this ultrasonic sensor is going. The sound wave is going. The echo is coming. Okay, so any question? The session is open to ask the question through the text as well as audio. So that was things. Now day 4 I will give the session on human activity recognition through Arduino Nano BLE Sense. Our deep learning model, how you can fuse over these different models, that I will discuss. Okay. So any question, please ask. Otherwise, we will finish the session. Vishwanath sir is here.
Yes, participants can ask some questions.
Then we'll come back for Dr. Basudeva. The session will start with the 3.
Okay, sir. I think there is no questions from the participant side.
We'll finish. Later on, they can do. They can mail me also.
Oh, sir. One thing I would like to. Sir, for the report preparation, I want a group snapshot with the participant.
Yeah, great. Great.
So all people, please open your camera.
Okay. So those who are interested, they can open at least. So we can have one group snapshot for the purpose of.
For the yes, for the report
those
preparation.
Who are comfortable, they can open. It will be great for us for preparing. I think enough camera was open.
Yes, sir. I picked. So we will meet at 3 p.m. No?
Kindly check.
Yes, sir. For the next session.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir. I am Dharmesh Kumar, sir.
Hi. Yes, sir. Please tell.
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
Sir, how can we connect the sir ESP Wi-Fi module with this?
ESP. This is not supporting ESP. You have to download some library. This latest one they have removed. Earlier it was there, but now they have removed this thing. ESP is not getting connected. Okay,
Sir,
but
sir,
there is some
sir,
library by which you can. Yeah.
Sir, can we add the Node MCU in?
That another mode of Wi-Fi you can add. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay. I will try, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you. Vishwanath sir, thank you. We'll go and we can stop recording for time being.